Good morning, students. I'm back again with another session of mathematics. Today we are going to learn how to learn the tables in a different manner. Now you all must have learned the tables from 2 to 9 at least, right? You are in grade 3. All must be knowing the tables from 2 to 9, right? Or 2 to 10 in fact. But when we talk about the tables from 12 to 20, most of you fumble or most of you just run away. You don't want to get into that rot learning thing. So that is why I found this magic trick which I want to share with you today, which will make it very easy for you to learn the tables and write the tables. Okay, so let's have a look at it. Let's start. First is, let me take the number 13. If I want to write the table of 13, what will I do? First, I will write the table of 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then when we talk about 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18, 3 7s are 21, 3 8s are 24, 3 9s are 27, 3 10s are 30. Now when we talk about writing the table of 13, I'll use these two tables to write the table of 13. What I will do, I will take the unit digit of this entire row as ones here, okay, and then this one I will take as tens. So what will be the number form? The number form will be 3 here, 1 here. 13 ones are 13. 6, 2. 26. 13 twos are 26. 9 and 3. 13 threes are 39. 2 and now I have here 12. So this I will take as ones and this one I will add it to 4. I repeat, this one will be added to 4 and what will be the number formed? 5. So what is the answer? 52. 13 fours are 52. Again 5 will be written here. Add 1 to 5. 65. 13 fives are 65. 1 will be written here. 8 will be written here. Add 1 to 6. 13 6 are 78. 1 will be written here. 2 added to 7. 9. 13 sevens are 91. 4 will be written here. 2 added to 8 will be 10. Now you cannot carry forward 10 because there is no other number. So just write it down. 13 8s are 104. Then 7. 7 will be written here. 2 plus 9 will be 11. So 13 9s are 117. 0 will be written here. Add 3 to 10. 13. What is a 13 tens are 130. So here I have got the table of 13. Understood? 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, 13 threes are 39, 13 fours are 52, 13 fives are 65, 13 six are 78, 13 sevens are 91, 13 eights are 104, 13 nines are 117, 13 tens are 130. Although it will be very admirable or it will be very good if you learn these tables, but still if you're facing a problem in this learning and if you're forgetting again and again, you can use this method. Okay, so I'll show you one more table now. First, say I'll tell you the table of 17. Okay, so table of 1 will be again same. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, when I talk about table of 7, that will be 7 ones are 7, 7 twos are 14, 7 threes are 21, 7 fours are 28, 7 fives are 35, 7 six are 42, 7 sevens are 49, 7 eights are 56, 7 nines are 63, 7 tens are 70. So when I talk about the table of 17, it will be 7 and 1. 17, then again 4 will be written here. 1 will be added to 2, 34. 17 twos are 34. 1 will be written here. 2 will be added to 3, 5. 17 threes are 51. Next again 8 will be written here. 2 will be added to 4. 17 fours are 68. 5 will be written here. 3 will be added to 5, 85. 17 fives are 85. 2 will be written here. 4 will be added to 6, 102. 17 6 are 102. 9 will be written here. 4 will be added to 7. Number formed is 119. 17 sevens are 119. 6 will be written here. 5 will be added to 8. 136. 17 eights are 136. 3 will be written here. And 6 will be added to 9. 6 plus 9 is 15. So 17 nines are 153. 0 will be written here. 7 will be added to 10. What is the number form? 170. Understood? So table of 17 is written and ready. Okay? So you can use this method and write your own tables. Show this trick to everyone and learn how to write the tables. If you are not able to memorize them, use this magic trick. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next session.